So even though I'm not finished yet, I'm just putting like that twist in my hair. I do think that this product is leaving my hair nice and soft, and it's not leaving residue, which is really awesome. So some of the products, it's water infused with organic calendula. Oh, it's a type of flower. Some type of root, horsetail shaped grass, nettle leaf, aloe. Yep, so some good stuff in here. Other kinds of leaf extracts, leaf extracts, sorry about that. And I'm just really liking how it feels so far. I did not use the shampoo that goes with this line. I stuck with using something that I know so that I could see really how well these products worked for me. So this product here has some of the same ingredients as what I just read, and it's a light scent, has a peppermint scent, but it's not overwhelming. I use peppermint sometimes on my hair when yeah, this smells good also. It's not a peppermint scent, but not really flowery. I don't know, I'll think about this one. I don't know how to explain that scent. I use peppermint though sometimes when my hair is itchy, so I just have like a little bottle of it. I'll show you. This is the peppermint that I use sometimes. I think this 365 brand is from Whole Foods. So I just use this sometimes on my scalp when it's feeling itchy. What I washed my hair with and conditioned my hair with is just my shampoo bar from LACEnatural, along with her root hair mask, a deep conditioner. So I used both of those. Both left my hair feeling soft. My hair's super clean. I did have my braids. I had braids in about the last 3 weeks. So I had to really get into my scalp and clean it good because it just felt so filthy from being in those braids. Keep on watching so you can see the twist out.